Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Practice channel, where learning English is easy, practical, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. It's so good to be here with you today. Anna, how are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for asking. I'm feeling positive and energized. And you, David, how are you today?
I'm great, Anna. I'm in a very good mood. The sun is shining, I had a nice cup of coffee, and I'm ready to talk about English.
That sounds perfect. A little sunshine and a little coffee can make a big difference.
It really can. And we have a very useful topic today, right?
Yes, we do. Today we are talking about something that every English learner needs to know.
Oh, yes. We are talking about how to make small talk in English.
That's right. Small talk. Simple, friendly conversation about everyday topics.
Small talk is everywhere at work, at school, at the bus stop, in a cafe, even in an elevator.
Exactly. And sometimes small talk feels small.
Or scary.
Yes. Sometimes starting a small conversation feels difficult, but don't worry, we are going to make it easy, simple, and fun.
But before we begin, we have a small reminder for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel and click the like button. It really helps us continue making lessons for you.
And if you have a friend who is learning English, please share this episode with them.
Thank you so much. Okay, David, are you ready?
I was born ready.
Oh, really?
Well, maybe I had to practice a little first.
Practice makes perfect.
Or at least practice makes progress.
I like that even more. Practice makes progress. That's a great expression.
Yes, it means you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep trying.
Exactly. And that's very important for small talk.
So, Anna, what is small talk?
Small talk is light, simple conversation about general topics, not serious topics, not deep topics, just friendly topics.
So, we don't start with what is the meaning of life?
Not usually at the bus stop, no.
Good to know.
Instead, we talk about safe topics. For example, the weather.
The weather again. English speakers really love the weather.
We really do. The weather is a safe topic. Everyone experiences it.
So let's teach some useful phrases. If it's sunny, you can say, it's a beautiful day today.
Yes, or the weather is lovely today.
Lovely, that's a nice word. Lovely means very nice, very pleasant.
Exactly. Let's practice. David, it's sunny today. Start the conversation.
Okay. Hi, Anna. It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Perfect. And I can answer, yes, it really is. It's so warm and sunny.
Very natural, very friendly.
Now, what if it's raining?
Then you can say, it's raining again.
Or the weather isn't great today?
That's polite. Instead of saying, the weather is terrible.
Yes, that sounds a little dramatic.
Sometimes I am dramatic.
I know.
Hey,
I'm joking. Light humor is also part of small talk.
that's true. Small talk can include light jokes, but keep it simple and friendly.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about another popular topic, daily life.
Ah, yes. For example, you can ask, how's your day going?
That's a great question. It's friendly and casual.
Let's break it down. How's your day going means how is your day?
And some simple answers are, it's going well, or pretty good, thanks.
Or not bad.
Yes, not bad means okay. Not amazing, not terrible, just okay.
Let's practice. Anna, how's your day going?
It's going really well, thanks. I had a productive morning.
That is very natural English. You can be honest, but still positive.
That's important. Small talk is usually positive.
Yes, we usually don't share big problems in small talk.
Not at the beginning, at least.
Right. Now let's talk about compliments.
Oh, I like this topic already. A compliment is when you say something nice about someone.
For example, I like your jacket,
Or, that's a great idea.
or you did a fantastic job.
Compliments make people feel good.
And when someone gives you a compliment, what do you say?
You say, thank you.
Just thank you?
Yes, just thank you is perfect.
Some learners feel shy and say, oh no, it's not good.
Yes, but in English-speaking culture, it's better to accept the compliment.
So if I say, Anna, your presentation was excellent, what do you say?
Thank you so much, David. That means a lot.
Very good. That means a lot means it's important to you.
Exactly. Let's do a mini role play.
I love mini role plays.
We are co-workers meeting in the office kitchen,
Okay. I'm making coffee.
and I walk in.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, David. How's your day going?
It's going well so far. I have a big meeting today.
Oh, really? I'm sure you'll do great.
Thanks. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you're very prepared.
Thank you. By the way, I like your new notebook.
Oh, thank you. I just bought it yesterday.
Look at that. We used greeting, daily question, encouragement, and a compliment.
And it all sounded natural and friendly.
That's the goal, natural and friendly.
Let's teach a few more useful expressions.
Good idea.
What have you been up to?
That's a very common question. It means, what have you been doing recently?
Yes, and you can answer, not much, or I've been busy with work.
Or, I've been studying English.
That's our favorite answer.
Always a good answer.
Let's practice repetition for learning. I'll say a phrase and you repeat.
Okay,
How's it going?
how's it going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Not bad.
Not bad.
What have you been up to?
What have you been up to?
Repetition helps your memory.
Yes, repeating phrases helps you speak more naturally.
Now let's do one longer role play.
I'm ready.
We are two people waiting for a train.
Okay?
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Go ahead.
Thank you. It's quite busy today.
Yes, it is. I think everyone is traveling this afternoon.
Probably. By the way, my name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too. Do you travel by train often?
Not very often, but I enjoy it. How about you?
I travel for work sometimes. I like looking at the scenery.
That was smooth.
Very smooth.
We used polite questions, simple answers, and friendly tone.
That's the secret. Keep it simple, keep it positive.
So let's review.
Step 1. Start with a greeting. Hello, hi, good morning.
Step 2, ask a simple question. How are you? How's your day going?
Step 3. Use a safe topic. The weather, work, daily activities.
Step 4, add a compliment or friendly comment if appropriate.
And always smile if you can.
Yes, even if they can't see you on the phone, they can hear your smile.
That's true. A smile changes your voice.
Remember, small talk is not about perfect grammar.
It's about connection.
It's about being friendly.
It's about practice.
Practice makes progress.
Exactly.
So don't be afraid. Start small, start simple.
Even one sentence is enough. Nice weather today.
That one sentence can start a conversation.
And that conversation can help you improve your English.
Every small conversation is a step forward.
And we believe in you.
We really do.
It looks like we've reached the end of today's episode.
Time goes so fast when you're having fun.
It really does. Thank you so much for listening.
Please leave a comment and tell us, what is your favorite small talk topic?
Do you talk about the weather, work, hobbies?
Let us know. We love hearing from you.
Keep practicing.
keep smiling.
And remember, learning English is a journey.
And we're happy to be on that journey with you.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye. See you next time.